Hi, this is Dane from The Electric Car Capital. Actually going to show everybody today how to reset your oil light, oil and maintenance light for a 2018 Honda Clarity. I do suggest to stay up on your maintenance, but because we have hybrids, you may want to wait another month or something if you haven't driven that many miles, or because you can't get to the dealership soon enough and you don't want to see this maintenance reminder. So I do suggest to set a reminder on your phone for a couple weeks out to make sure you do not let your car get behind. But because they're hybrids, remember, we literally have a little more time than most gasoline cars. So what I'm going to show you is how to reset this oil light from literally with the car turned off. What we'll do is we'll turn it on. And there's the service due. It's going to include oil change most of the time, as well as rotation, inspections, add fluids and such. So the way to reset it is to go over to what most would call the infotainment center. And you go in this area and you go to settings. And in here we're going to go to vehicle. And inside vehicle, you're going to scroll so where you can see maintenance info. Now in here, you'll see the items that they want to look at. Once again, I've already set my reminder, so I'm okay with resetting it again today. Here's all the items that are due. You can scroll down and see some more. So what we'll do is click on all due items. And I'm just going to say reset. Done. Now this car, it has a lot of things where you're getting notifications, like via email, like up here in the notification area. You would see a mail saying that you got to get maintenance. It's inside the Honda app. And that's, to me, is why I'm resetting it. It's just a lot. I stay up on my car, so I'm okay with doing this, and I wanted to show everyone so there was a direct tutorial on it. Okay, thank you. Once again, this is Dane from The Electric Car Capital, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.